So here we are. We're going to continue building out our website, and what we're going to do is start to actually build out the menu, which is right here, and we'll start to just add a few details to this home page to kind of get some of the basic information together. And what we're going to do is go to Appearance and go back to our Customize, which is going to be customizing the theme that we currently have. And I know we kind of went over real briefly in another video the customization options, but why don't we go in here now and start to fill some of this out. So we actually put in the site name, which becomes the logo. I'm going to replace that at a later stage with the actual logo, which we can update here, and a favicon. And then the best place to buy domains, which is our site identity. The colors of this website, we're not going to be using this. We're going to be using a gray. So at this stage, I do have the gray picked out. I believe it's 3D, 3D, 3D. And then this is just going to stay as a white. So what you'll see here is this has changed to a little bit darker background than the original color that we had there. We'll go back to our theme options. We're going to keep everything the same so far. And then up here we have our overlay background. And this also we're going to be changing to a blue. The site's going to be a blue overlay. And then our text color will remain white. So we'll move this back to blue. We're going to publish this. And then we're going to go back. We're going to not create a background image, we just have the background color that's going to be staying there. And then the menu, we're going to be filling this out right now. So here's our social media links. This is all set up here. We're going to actually be removing Yelp. We're just going to have Facebook, and I'm just going to put Facebook / oops, what just happened? Register domains online. I'm just going to copy this for the Twitter, Instagram, and the email. So here's Twitter. Here is the Instagram. And just publish all that so that nothing gets erased. And I'll go ahead and add the email, which is right here. So it's going to be mailed to info@registereddomainonline.com. The reason I always take care of that stuff is because once you have your website launched, those are the first things that you miss, but people actually start to find. So our primary is just going to stay here, and we're actually going to keep the same amount of pages, except it's going to be home, about, register. So we need to add one more. So why don't we actually go here? We were able to add another item. We already have a few templated pages. So we're going to add domains. And this is already going to be our domain page along with our home page. So domains has been added, and domains is here, and we're going to actually move this right after the blog and click publish. So we should see that is added under here, but now we're also going to add it under the primary one, which is here, and we will go to domains, add, and we're going to carry it back over here, and now we should see it generate here as well. So we have domains generated here, and our other 4 pages already built out. Then as far as widgets, we still have to update our footer. So this is the About Us text. About this site, I'm just going to put a new quick sentence here, and it is in, I believe, white, because so it might be best to just edit it within the text editor and say, welcome to register domains online. The best place to register your domain for the lowest prices. So that's just going to say about, and I'm just going to update this to register domains online. And you can see how the footer has started to actually build itself out. So I might just put this in one word and then go to publish. And then real quickly, I'm just going to update the other widget, which is going to be the footer 2 under Find Us. And I'm just going to put in Miami FL 33131. And the hours are going to stay the same except it's just Saturday. And then Sunday closed. So, give it a little more space. Actually, no, we're not. I don't want to go to the text editor because a little bit of this actually starts to break itself apart. So let's see. Put a break here, and we'll put one more here, I believe. Take one out, and Monday through Friday, Saturday. I'll put one more here. So that should clean up our Find Us footer right here. Go to Publish. And then with that being said, I think that's all we're going to do in this video. There is a few other settings, but I think I'll save it for the next one where we'll actually start to add pieces. But this is all the customized options that are got your theme all set up. So your menu, your footer, your social links, and your menu navigation. So we'll catch you in the next video, guys. Stay tuned. Take care.